Hey creative friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video for Pixi Dust Designs. Today we're going to be using the slice of cake die set that just released to make this fun pumpkin pie inspired treat box. So that's what we're going to be making. I've already cut out all my little parts and pieces here. And to start off, I'm going to do a little ink blending. So I'm going to move my die set out of the way. I'll go ahead and fold all of my little score lines here. This is actually super easy to put together. I was very surprised. The hardest part of this whole set is the whipped cream. It just kind of happened and went together. I don't know how I did it. At first I was having trouble, and even the owner, Sandra, she says she had the same thing. It just kind of popped together there after a little bit. So you just kind of need to play with it to get it to go together. But since this is a box, you do want to give it a good fold. And same thing with our little whipped cream pieces here. We'll give those a little fold. Our little burnish, I should say. They are already scored. So I'm going to add a little ink around the edge of our little whipped cream piece. I'll fold each one down and just come right along the edge there. Put that one down, get it. I'm thinking, you know, this is just off the top of my head, I'm wondering if you could probably put like a small little treat inside that to have like a little surprise on that as well. I'm thinking you could. I'll go ahead and do my ink blending around my pieces for my pumpkin pie. And this just adds just a little bit more texture and interest to your project. So let's go ahead and do that layer right there. Doesn't take a lot, just a little bit. I do them more kind of on where they fold in, just to make it look a little nicer. And this ink I'm using will dry back a little bit more, so I'm not too worried about that. It does look awful dark now, but it's not as dark as what you think. So let's finish ink blending. We'll do our other little pieces as well. To add a little interest to that. And while I'm ink blending, I will do finish these off screen and be right back. All right, I've got all my parts ink blended around to tie those edges together. And we're going to start assembling our base of our little box here. So what you're going to do is we got our little tab here. Now you could use tape runner. I always like to use liquid glue, just so I can have a little bit more wiggle room. I'm just going to simply pull this up. This is like super easy to put together. And there are other additional pieces in that set and add-on pieces for this set right now. There's two add-ons. There's the Frankie and Drackie add-on, which is a Frankenstein and Dracula top. I'll show you the finished cards and finished pieces in just a minute. And then there's a mummy and a pumpkin that you can add on to decorate it for Halloween. So on two little flaps, we're going to add liquid glue to those. Make sure you pull up your corners and line those up nice and straight. There's the base of our box. This is the top. So before we add that, I'm going to go ahead and add on my other little pieces here. Add our little slice of topping up here. Just to me, it just gives it a little bit more detail. So I'll add that, just lining it up. Kind of in the center of our top triangle. Then we have our side pieces here. So I'll add liquid glue to these. We will add these on our sides. So you can see how these could be like frosting on a cake. Which is actually what it's intended for, since it's called slice of cake. I decided to go outside the box and make pumpkin pie. So we are getting into the fall season. That was immediately what my mind thought of. All right, we're going to add a little glue to this little tab right here. And then we're going to pull that in and make sure that it's nice and even. Then all you have to do then is add this part right here, which actually could have been done. Sometimes I find it easier to do this before putting this part together and before putting the base together. Sometimes it's a little easier. We're just going to add that on. And just line it up to the score line. Pinch that together. Then I can close my little treat box. All right, this is the back part. We have 2 layers to it. We have our stitch layer, which is the smallest one. It's going to layer on top of this one. Then we're going to add glue along that back section. I'm just going to take and layer that together, making sure that that bottom lines up. The bottom edge lines up on both parts. So there's our little pumpkin pie part. Now let's try to put together our whipped topping. See if I can remember how I did this. It just went like, I think I just went in. I just kind of picked a side and started kind of folding them in. Like that. Because these all interlock together, so you just kind of start tucking them around. And kind of tuck that edge in, just like that. So you just kind of go around, tucking the smaller edge into the one next to it until you get to the end, and there you go. So we can add that to our slice of pumpkin pie. All right, so there is the other one I did. I'm going to go grab the Halloween versions, and I'll be right back. All right, I went and grabbed our Halloween versions that I made. This is the mommy, that's the pumpkin. Those come together in one set. They're an add-on set. And then we have the Dracky and the Frankie. So they can make a nice, cute little treat box. So if you want to do Halloween, you can do Halloween. You can do just birthday or pumpkin pies or any kind of pies. There's also a cherry in the set. That looked hideous to me, so I didn't even do it. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys, stay crafty, love you.